In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reject tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll confidently reject an approval task and know exactly what to look for so you don't click the wrong thing. First, open the task that's been set up as an approval. In Asana, approval tasks are a special type designed for decisions like approve, request changes, or reject. You'll recognize them by an approval label and a distinct status area at the top of the task. From your project or My Tasks, click the task name so it opens in the task details pane on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the details pane, just click the task once. It should slide open without leaving your current view. Double check that you're in the correct task. Look for context in the description, attachments, or subtasks, since your decision will be visible to collaborators. Once the task is open, look to the top of the task details pane. This is where Asana places the decision button specifically for approval tasks. You'll typically see three options side by side: approve, request changes, and reject. They're designed to be quick to spot, each with a clear color and icon. If these buttons aren't there, it likely isn't an approval task, or you might not have the right permissions to act on it. In that case, confirm that the task type is approval, or reach out to the project owner to switch it to an approval if a formal decision is needed. When you're ready to decline the work, click the red X icon to reject. As soon as you click it, Asana updates the task status to rejected and notifies the task's followers so the team knows a decision was made. This helps prevent any unnecessary follow-up work on something that shouldn't move forward. If you want to add context, include a brief note in the task comments right after rejecting, clarifying why it was rejected and what would need to change for it to be reconsidered. Keeping your explanation concise and specific makes it easier for the assignee to respond appropriately. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Only reject tasks that are truly not moving forward. If the work is close but needs revisions, consider request changes instead so the team has a clear path to fix it. If you didn't intend to reject, you can update the decision by selecting a different option. And remember, clear communication in the task keeps everything traceable and reduces back and forth. That's it. Open the approval task, locate the decision buttons, and click the red X to reject. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.